So I think first off, our first question would just be if you could give us a general explanation of the appraisal process that the county goes through for real estate.
If you don't mind, I'm going to talk about, because appraisal process is actually part of the tax cycle. It's a 4-stage process, and I think that's important for taxpayers and property owners to know that. So the first phase is obviously the appraisal phase, and that's kind of where we collect data and things like that. Technically, that starts January 1 and it lasts until May 15th, but because there's so much ground to cover, there's so much new construction in the county, we really have to start collecting data in August. So we start, looking at visiting properties, looking for new improvements have been taken away. We start asking information from businesses about what kind of rents and stuff they use, and just researching on all that kind of data process. So that's getting all the information so that we can accurately appraise stuff. And then comes the equalization phase. That's probably the process that most taxpayers are most familiar with. That's the protest process.
Okay.
And that begins like May 15th to July 20th, and that's where people file protests and come before the board and make their cases and things like that. So appraisal, equalization, assessment, which is where they decide what the tax rates are, and then those tax rates get applied to the values.
Okay.
And then they collect the taxes. Those are the 4 phases.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
And the collection phase, you said usually begins sometime from October through January 31st.
October 1st, when they send the bill out. As soon as you get your bill, it's paid. It's payable. And then you have until January 31st to pay it without penalty.
Okay.
Afterwards, you can pay it. There are taxes and penalties that are associated with that. So if you can't pay it, I would definitely contact the tax office and see if there's a payment plan you can work out. I mean, the sooner you can do that, the better off you are.